Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm just doing a little walk around and review of the Ballard Siton Stander Seat. This is an addition to a stand-on mower, and you simply mount it onto the standing platform of any given mower. Take this V-Ride 2 for example. You would mount the bracket right there to the standing platform. And guys, I'm gonna leave cards to my other videos of me using this seat on my Gravely, and I also had a little quick video done when I got this, and I just show like a little installation of it, but it is the installation is really simple. There's just those 4 holes there. You get the bolts. You do have to drill through the standing platform of your mower, but basically, to get into the review of this seat, you guys, one thing I'm gonna say is it's not as comfortable as I think it gets credit for. So is it a cool idea? Yes. Does it function the way that I think a seat works, you know, on a sit-down mower? No, and I don't think it really will come close. I don't use sit-downs, so I'm partial to stand-ons when it comes to this debate, but the one thing I noticed for sure is that there's no like shock absorption in the seat or in the pole. So as you're riding, the only give that it has is in your standing platform. Now that's okay, but one thing I noticed, you guys, is like as you're riding, I mean, that thing is straight up and down. There's no give to it, which I fully understand. It's engineered great. It's super easy to adjust it and move it back and forth and whatnot. It is at a funny angle, and those bolts tend to get loose over time. But what I was gonna say, guys, is that when you hit bumps, this thing really just kind of shoots all the shock like up your lower back, and I think that a stand-on has its advantages because you're just bending your knees as you hit the bumps. So honestly, I can't really give this add-on to my Stander a thumbs up. I don't give it a thumbs down. And here's my thing, you guys. I do mainly residential lawns, so for the time for us to stand up on the property and cut it, it still doesn't take all that long. So I noticed that I wasn't really using this seat as much as I thought I was. And with that being said, I'm not sure if I'll put it on another mower. I think I'm considering selling it. I might hang on to it for now, but shoot a comment down below if you guys have seen this or used it. Like I said, I put the cards in the upper corner, and you can go to the description, and I'll link other videos of me using it and the installation video. But this is a Ballard product that, you know, I try to show my support for brands that I like, and I thought this could be a useful tool for my business. It is and isn't at the same time. So guys, if this video is helpful, once again, please share it with your lawn care community friends. Leave it a thumbs up, comment if you'd like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.